How to fix speed issue in HMA Pro VPN Android app. If you have speed issues when connected to VPN, please follow the steps below. It is important to remember that speed varies due to the distance between you, your ISP and the VPN server you are connected to. We strongly recommend that you try and connect to the closest desired country server to your real location. Important thing to mention is that virtual locations are also available. What it means is that you only need to connect to the corresponding VPN server. In our HMA VPN app you can simply select the virtual location servers for the country you wish to connect to by typing via. As our HMA VPN for Android uses only OpenVPN protocol, you may want to try and set up a manual VPN connection using L2TP or PPTP protocol. Detailed instructions on how to do this are found here. Android, General, Advanced Troubleshooting. Optional IPsec protocol. We have also added one new protocol to our service, IPsec, which should increase connection speed, therefore you can try and set it up by following steps provided in our tutorial, how to connect using IPsec protocol.